In the production of tires, a single worker is responsible for operating multiple tire curing machines. The worker is at risk from the loader and the top section of the mold when positioning the green tires. To protect employees from this risk, a light curtain can be positioned in front of the machine. 2 light curtains are even better for monitoring purposes. As soon as a worker enters the monitored area, all dangerous movements of the machine stop. However, the machine then has to be reset manually before it can restart. Overlooking the need for a manual reset results in waste and unwanted interruptions in production. The need for the mounting location to be at the edge of the machine can also lead to damage when tools are changed. The machine then has to be taken out of production until the light curtain is replaced. Another problem is the unintentional triggering of the protective device. The machine will remain at a standstill until the device is reset. The new EN 16474 safety standard now also prescribes that the vulcanization process shall not be interrupted by protective devices as long as the cavities are closed and locked. 6 safety laser scanners provide a solution for compliant and fault-free operation. The sensors are so compact that they can be mounted directly on the machine, protecting them from damage. 6 safety laser scanners have simultaneous protective fields so that separate areas can be monitored independently. When a worker exits the outer protective field, the machine automatically continues to operate. This ensures uninterrupted machine operation. The SIM4 safety function can even monitor up to 4 protective fields independently, supporting uninterrupted operation with independent cavities. 6 safety laser scanners maximize the safety and productivity of your tire curing machine. Trust the #1 in safety solutions. For more information, please visit our website.